Hello, friend. So, we are going to read our first slok with the chapter 1. The chapter 1 name is Observing the Armies of the Battlefield of the Kurukshetra. And the first sloka Dharm Kshetre Kurukshetra Samaveta Yusava Mam Kama Pandavaschev Kirim Kurvat Sanjay. In this slok, the Drashtarashtra said, O Sanjay, after my son and the son of Pandu assemble in the place of pilgrimage or at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? So, in this sloka, Drashtarashtra asking Sanjay, what is the observation he is seeing? What is his seeing in the battlefield of Kurukshetra? And as we all know that Kurukshetra is a um, very important thing, very important field, because all the kings and kingsmen's men are come into the in the that place to the for the fight in between the uh, in the dharma and adharma. So Dhritarashtra already know what is the result of this war, because the Sri Krishna, who is already Godhead, and he is he's supporting person for he stand in support with the Pandavas, and he wanted to know what is happened in the middle of the war. So that's why he was asking to so his observation. And you know that the Sanjay has a power to see anywhere without going to the that place, because he's in a getting that power from Vyasa. And so that's why Dhritarashtra wanted to know what his son and his his brother's sons, what is they are doing in the battlefield of the Kurukshetra. So in a simple word, and he is very curious about what is going on in that place. And and I want to tell you this thing. The Dhritarashtra is he's also know that he is doing a mistake, because he did not give a single piece of land, tip of the pin, uh, to the Pandavas. Yes, sorry, my mistake. I admit my mistake. He is not saying, his son Duryodhan said to the Pandavas. And in the end, and why this war is happened, because when the Sri Krishna went to the Duryodhan court, and he was the middleman of the middleman of the he wanted to become a middleman in the both the party. So he make a proposal in front of the Duryodhan. The Pandava, he said, Pandava have the right of half of the land, half of the kingdom. If you are not, if you have a problem with the half of the land, half of the kingdom, then you can give the only the five village for five Pandava. So he can also make a peace. But Duryodhana is in a very he had an evil mind at the time, so he was not ready to give only five village. And he said to the Shri Krishna, I won't give a piece that much land of that much land, single tip of pin. So it is already set up the war situation. So after that incident, this war is going to happen in the Kurukshetra, in the battle of Kurukshetra. And so Dhritarashtra, the father of Duryodhana, he is very curious about what is happening, what is going on the battlefield. So friend, we have already completed the first sloka of this chapter, and next video I'll cover the second sloka in this in this chapter. Okay, so bye.